Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious whole chicken. I already went ahead and washed it up real well and make sure it was nice and cleaned. Now for the seasoning, I will be using some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, paprika, seasoned salt, sazon or purpose seasoning, and some black pepper. I also will be using fresh green seasoning. So what I did was added some oil to the dry seasoning, and then I went in with 2 heaping tablespoons of fresh green seasoning. I will leave the link to the green seasoning down in my description box for those that are interested. I mixed that up real well, and this is what I use to marinate my chicken. Next, we'll go ahead and just coat the chicken real well with that marinade that we made. And what I did was spatchcock the chicken, cut the backbone out of it. And this helps, for you to get the seasoning all up into the thighs, the breasts, and everywhere. So once we are done marinating this, we'll allow it to sit for about the minimum of 2 hours. I allowed mine to sit for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have time and you can let it go overnight, that would be perfect. Next, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now, if you have a super high heat oven, you can do 375. You will cover this and place it inside of the oven for about 40 minutes. We'll check on it. After about 40 minutes, I went in and basted the chicken with the juices. Place it back inside of the oven. This time, leave it uncovered and allow it to go for another 30 to 40 more minutes. After about an hour and 30 minutes, the chicken is finally done. It smells and looks absolutely divine. When I tell you it was packed with flavor, seasoned right down to the bone, trust me, you will not regret trying this recipe. I did serve this up with some Spanish rice, a fresh garden salad, and some fried ripe plantains. My family enjoyed it. They went back for seconds and thirds, and I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.